What you're witnessing right here is a fabulous piece by the painter Kim Wiggins, who is featuring his art at the Maxwell Alexander Gallery in Los Angeles, California. What I love about this piece the most is the primary colors and the movement within the stillness. I love how gears come to mind when I look at this piece, reminding me of machinery and how much machinery mimics nature. His work reminds me of Georges Méliès, the French artist behind that Moon movie in the 1920s, the ones that were silent films. But check him out, he's great.